So welcome back to AWS Solution Architect Associate. So we'll be going through Module 8 Knowledge Check. So if we score 70%, then we are pass. Otherwise, we have to give another attempt. So let's start. So which statement describe AWS identity and access management user? So here, I think the answer should be every IAM user for an account must have a unique name. So this is true. So IAM user names only need to be unique within an account. So we can have a same name across different accounts, right? How can you grant the same level of permission to multiple users within an account? So here the answer should be apply an AWS identity and access management policy to an IAM group. Which statement describes AWS identity and access management roles? So we need to choose here. So I think they can be assumed by individual application and services, and they provide temporary security credential. So which statement describes a resource-based policy? So here the correct answer should be, so it should be always an inline policy. How does AWS Identity Access Management evaluate policy? So here I think the answer should be, so if there is no explicit deny statement or explicit allow statement, or I think it should be, so it checks for explicit deny statement before it checks the explicit allow statement. So yeah, I think this is correct. So a team of developer needs access to several services and resources in virtual private cloud for 9 months. How can you use AWS Identity and Access Management to enable access for them? So here the answer should be create an IAM user for each developer, put them all in an IAM group, and attach the required IAM policies to the IAM group. How does Identity Federation increase security for an application that is built in Amazon Web Services? So we can use a single sign-on to access application through an existing authenticated identity. Okay. So which services can you use to enable Identity Federation for your application that are built in AWS Web Services? So here the answer should be Amazon STS and then Amazon Cognito. Okay, so let's continue. What services help you centrally manage billing, control access, compliance, and security, and share resources across multiple Amazon Web Services? So the answer should be AWS organization. At technology companies, employees log into their Amazon Web Services accounts through AWS Identity and Access Management users. They have administrator access and access to the root user, which resource can prevent them from deleting the AWS Cloud Trail log. So I think the answer should be here, a service control policy that is attached to the organizational unit. So this should be the correct answer. So this way we were able to solve 10 out of 10 questions and we score 100%. So that's it from this module. Hope to see you in another module. Thank you.